Hello everyone, and today I just wanted to show you, something that I thought might be useful to you. So as you probably know, I'm a Rust guy, and recently I needed a Reddit API wrapper that I could use with Rust. I was hoping to make a Discord bot which could pull programming jokes from Reddit and post them. I did eventually get that done, as you will see, but I just thought I should show you how I did that right now. So, the problem with this crate in particular is that it just doesn't work. If you go into Rawr, and you try to build it, what you will get is an error because it relies on these dependencies here, which are all out of date and no longer work on newer systems. So the last time this crate was updated was like 3 years ago. And as you can see here, there's been a pull request for over 2 years now, which would update the dependencies so that they can work. And I actually have a copy of that silly me. Of that, so let's go into their repository and try to build it. It also gives you an error. This guy actually illustrated it quite well. It doesn't compile on machines with OpenSSL 1.1 plus, same as Rawr without this pull request. Simply changing it to 0.3 worked very well for me. And I tried that. And it did work, so it does compile, but there is still an issue. Sorry. There's still an issue? Okay. Well, you can't see it, but if I were to cargo clean and then cargo build, and I'll probably speed this up for you guys. So you can see we're compiling OpenSSL sys, and no issues arise. We're compiling SERD, no problems. OpenSSL, no problems. Package config, no problems. I don't think there were any problems before, but... And it will compile successfully, as you saw before. But there is one issue, which you will see in a second, that I was able to fix myself. Bota, get a better computer. I could get a new CPU, but it's kind of expensive. I don't want to do that. We'll be done soon. You will see. Hyper's compiling. No issues. Yeah, the issues actually... Sorry, Jason has no issues either. The issues actually come from the crate itself, the Rawr crate itself, not any of its dependencies. In this particular instance, hypernative TLS or derive files. It's almost done. Real quick, I want to bring you over to forks. There are a lot of them. And okay, so here's the issue. All these warnings. There's a lot of them. And I don't really want to see all these warnings every single time I want to compile my dev humor bot. So I fixed that myself. Cargo build. You'll see there's no issues. And granted, I didn't clean it, but even if I did clean it, you can try it yourself. There will be no warnings. I fixed them all. So, well, projects, okay, dev humor bot. So let me show you how to put this into, how to use it. So what you want to do is, under your dependencies, you want to have Rawr, instead of equaling like 0.1 or something, Rawr equals git equals the link to the repository, which is github.com/botahamec/rawr.git, and then you want to pull from the master branch. There's only one branch, so that actually there might be another branch, but I just use the master branch mostly, and that will work. So if you build that, there'll be no issues whatsoever. You can run it. And the Discord bot is online. I'm not going to show you the Discord bot itself. I'll do that another day. But as you can see, there are plenty of forks, like this guy over here. He added a region lock workaround, so I don't know exactly what's that's about, but I might pull from that and add that to my repository if it's useful and it's something you guys would like to see. But other than that, I think we have a pretty good thing here, so I hope that was useful for you, and sorry for the lack of videos recently. I'll try to have more videos in the future. I have a couple planned for this week, so we'll see if we can get those done soon. Alright, thanks for watching, and see ya.